Good day everyone. Today we're about to discuss the topic illustrate polynomial function. So why do we use polynomial function? Polynomials are applied in various ways in our life. They are used to describe curves and recordings in different aspects. To mention some, roller coaster designers use polynomials to describe curves in the rides. Nurses, psychiatrists, and health aides use polynomials to determine their schedules and keep records in their patients' progress. And moreover, polynomial functions are sometimes used in economics to do cost analysis. So what is polynomial function? A polynomial function is a function of the form p of x equals a sub n times x raised to the power of n plus a sub n minus 1 times x raised to the power of n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 times x raised to the power of n minus 2 plus points of ellipsis plus a sub 1 times x plus a sub 0 as a sub n is not equals to 0 where n is non-negative integers. A sub 0, a sub 1, points of ellipsis, a sub n is a real number called coefficient as a sub n times x raised to the power of n is the leading term as a sub n is the leading coefficient and a sub 0 is the constant term. Here's some definition of the parts in polynomial function. Degree refers to the highest power of x. Leading coefficient refers to the numerical coefficient of the term with the highest exponent. Constant term refers to the zero degree. Standard form is the arrangement of the term written in descending or decreasing order. Factored form is the product of its form. So here is example number 1. 25 minus 10x plus x squared. So the degree here is 2 since it is the highest power of x. The leading coefficient is 1 since the numerical coefficient with highest power of exponent is 1 which is x squared. The value of x is 1 and the constant is 25 since it has 0 degree. And the standard form, based on the definition, we have to arrange the exponent in decreasing or descending order. So, x squared minus 10x plus 25. So the factor here is x minus 5 x squared. Since we can now factor this into product of x minus 5 times x minus 5 which result in the current given. Let's now go to some examples of graph. First, constant function. It is where the output value is the same for every input value. So here is some example. You see the value of y remains the same for every x value. That is called constant function. The second is linear function. Is when you see a straight line of the graph, that is called linear function. Now quadratic function. Quadratic function is whose function f of x is equals to a raised to the power of x plus b plus c where a is not equals to 0. You can see that there is a U shape either upward or downward. It is called quadratic function. And now the cubic. Cubic is where the degree is 3. So if you see a degree is 3, it is cubic. So on and so forth. If 4 is quartic, 5 quintic. Now that everyone has learned some of the topics, now let's have a short quiz. Answer the following within the allotted time. Time start. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share.